This is what I've been leading up to. Drum roll, please. Alright, this is a McCormick Darren by International Harvester LB series. Come on a skid. I already had a corn sheller with it, or a corn grinder, excuse me. Just like the other one I've got. I don't think it's hardly been used because there's still a majority of the paint still on things. So it may be almost brand new. So we got the magneto. We rebuilt it last night. We've had it for about a week, and I messed with it last weekend. And the magneto was the impulse spring was broke. Water in the cylinder a little bit. Oil in the gas tank. It stayed in there so long that it turned to oil. And so it came with that, but it didn't. But it came with that one. But anyway, we'll see what we can do with it. Got a new spark plug. It's in the truck. I gotta put that on. But it turns free. I want to try to get it fired first before we do any oil changing around. Make see if it's worth my while. And got the lid. So this is the big lead up. Bought this locally, well, pretty close locally. There's one piece. He got it as a conversation piece. I want to use it. I don't want to talk about it. I'll talk about it after the fact, after I get it going, but I won't be able to use it. So that's what we're going to work on today. Alright, so we're going to put the magneto back in. This one here has I think that is the timing marker, that little 0 down there. Then we got to get it timed on the motor. You got DC here, that's dead center. Let's see, rotate it this way. And then there's a little mark right there. According to the manual, 3 3/16. I need to measure that. Get that in line. Manual says distance measure on flywheel rim timing notch, 3 3/16. Let me get a tape measure. 3 3/16. There's 3. 1 2 3/16. That's pretty close. The gasket ain't exact. We're going to use it right now. Probably better off putting it. Oh, one's still there. It's not tore too much, so let's leave it on there for right now. We'll line this up, get it right. We'll try to. I may have to. So magneto's on, and then we still lined up there to the on the engine, and we're going to check the spark plug. It's kind of bright out here. check out the behemoth spark plug this thing's got. So we're just gonna put a little oil down in there because it is dry. Not much, just a little bit. Because all over time the oil has drained back. So see if I can get in a dark area here.
Oh, you got him.
Woo! It working, it working.
I'm gonna say, don't hold that rubber boot.
We got spark, y'all. Just want to let y'all know. So yeah, if you hear the commentary from the background, I gotta see if I get gas up here. If not, then I've got carburetor gasket. Grip crank 1 inch away from the flywheel. Press down on choke valve.
That thing fires.
Yeah. Put this back. Alright. Check again. Oh, it fired on the half. Third fired off that in there. I didn't even have the gas on.
You gotta cut down that emissions, you gotta cut down that emissions. What kind of handle is
See why Grandpa got rid of it.
yeah. Brother said they had one like that.